Hey y'all, I'm Alyssa from Southland Organics. Today we're going to talk about how to use the Roost bundle to treat your chickens to all of the nutrients they need. It is super easy. Roost contains 3 products: Nest, Lay, and Peak. These nutritional supplements will be given on a 2-week regimen. On week A, your birds will receive Nest, and on week B, they'll be given both Lay and Peak. Once you've got the right products, all you have to do is measure, mix, and switch. First, measure out the correct amount of each product. Both Lay and Peak are given at a dose of 1 teaspoon per gallon of water. Nest is 1 tablespoon per gallon of water. Next, mix the product directly into your coop waterers. Last but certainly not least, sit back and watch as we help boost your roost. Then switch your products the next week. And that's it. Repeat the process once a week with that week's products. Don't worry, you don't have to memorize all that. The application rate and instructions are on each bottle and on our website. So what happens when you use Roost? Will your hens start laying rainbow-colored eggs? Will all of your birds immediately jump to peak production and stay there for 6 months? Will your roosters suddenly sprout 8-foot-long tail feathers? Not quite. Nature doesn't work like that. Roost works to naturally make your birds' water as nutritious and effective as possible. Each product works to make your birds healthier through a sustainable, healthy source of active microbiology. This is why Roost is helpful to any and all chickens. Bird health is rooted in beneficial bacteria, so our products are designed to help them from the inside out. With Roost, you can expect your birds to have everything they need to live a healthy life and produce to their full potential. You can expect high-quality eggs, tighter guts, and better immunity. If you have any questions about Home by Soul Matters Eden or Roost, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can leave a comment on the video or email us at support@soulmatterseden.com. Miller here will be happy to answer any of your questions. It's time to boost your roost.